Say something, buddy.
Hi.
It's like that?
Yeah.
Why?
Like that.
Come on! This way! Where you going? Crazy girl.
I'm not crazy.
Why you turn around? You know we ain't going that way. We got to get you a different belt, okay? Hey! Hey! Hit the stairs. Come back this way.
No.
Come on. Come on. Walk up this way, walk down, and walk back down. Tell the world what you're trying to do.
Be left alone. Bunny, get over here.
Oh, now you want to be left alone. You ain't gonna say something?
No.
Trying to walk that baby out.
No.
Get off of there, boo. And Bunt Murray, I want you to hit this lap by yourself. And while you walking, Bunny, get over here. While you walking, breathe. Like they told you to at the hospital when it's time. And just think, this is going to be your last time by yourself. Come back here. You hear me?
Yeah, I've been since I ain't started walking yet.
For real. Just go on and just think. And think about all kind of stuff. Just free your mind. Walk and breathe. 'Cause after today, you're going to be somebody's mama. You ain't going to be a kid no more. Now, what is she doing? We don't have no idea why she's running back and forth. But she is. Say something to the camera.
Say what?
Tell them so. What you doing?
What you doing?
We know what you doing. Why is you running up and down this little stuff right here?
Because I want to run. That's what my gym teacher said.
What'd she say?
It's a he.
Say what?
She said, if you go somewhere that have enough room that you can run anywhere, start running. And I wanted to do it.
Okay. You need some sugar. Come back.